In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add links or hyperlinks in PowerPoint. This is a great way to make your presentations more interactive, especially if you want viewers to open websites, videos, online documents, or even jump to other slides with a single click. Let's get started by opening PowerPoint and loading the presentation you want to edit. Once your presentation is open, go to the slide where you want to place the clickable button. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the screen. This tab contains all the tools you need to add extra elements to your slides. Now select Shapes. A menu will appear showing different shapes and action buttons you can use. Choose any button style you like, such as a rectangle, circle, or one of the built-in action buttons. After selecting the shape, click and drag on the slide to create your button. You can resize and reposition it wherever you want. Now it's time to add the hyperlink. Right-click on the button you created and choose Link or Hyperlink from the menu, depending on your version of PowerPoint. A new window will appear where you can choose what the button should open. If you want to link to a website, paste the web address into the URL field. You can also link to another slide in the presentation, an external file, or even an email address. Once you've added the link, click OK to save it. To test your button, start the slideshow and click on it. Your link should now open instantly when selected. Using clickable buttons is a simple way to create more engaging presentations and improve navigation for your audience. It's especially helpful for training slides, interactive lessons, business presentations, and digital kiosks. And that's it. You now know how to add hyperlinks and clickable buttons in PowerPoint. And that's how you can make your presentations more interactive and professional with clickable links. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.